Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia, and in today's video, a little different. I'm coming here with some red hair. Like what? Red hair? What? I'm gonna jump right into it, y'all. I'm in love. I love this color. I took a chance. I was like, you know what? Let me give this a shot. Bruh, like, it's popping, like literally. If you're new to my channel, I do love my 4C natural hair, and I love trying products. I love doing different things to my hair. I love rocking protective styles as well, but for the most part, I feel the most confident when I rock my natural hair. And in today's video, I decided to try a different color, try something new. This is a temporary color, all right? I'll give you the details in the next coming clips. But yeah, I also like experimenting with color because I can never make up my mind whether I'm gonna keep my natural color or dye it or do temporary colors. I don't know. And until I am sure, you know what I mean, I'm not gonna do anything permanent. So if you guys want to see exactly what I did to achieve this hair and this color, keep on watching. Alright guys, you're gonna need the liquid chalk, of course, liquid hair chalk, and this is in the color Better Off Red. You're gonna need a blow dryer. I'm reading that you don't necessarily have to use a blow dryer because it can dry on its own, but I usually go in with a blow dryer, and some gloves because this gets a little messy, and a bowl to put this hair chalk in so I could dip my hair in the bowl. I'm using one of my kids' old bowls that they don't use anymore because they were like babies when they were using this. They're big boys now, so yeah. So this is like day 5 hair. So I'm gonna take my stocking band off, and I usually do this on freshly washed hair, but I decided to do this on like a week-old hair, 5-day hair, because I'm not sure if the color is going to be appropriate for the workplace. Now it is the weekend, today's Friday, so I was like, you know what, let me try the color, and if it's too loud for work, then I'll just wash it out. If I apply it and it's not too like bam in your face, you know what I mean, then I'll be okay for work on Monday. So that's why I didn't want to wash my hair, because I wasn't sure if I would need to wash it again by Monday, if that makes sense. All right, put my hair into 4 sections. It rained a lot today, so my hair got wet, so my hair is like super duper shrunken, and it's okay. I'm just gonna 2-strand twist, shake this up real good. Oh, this is bright. I don't think I'm gonna be able to go to work with this. This is way, ooh, too bright. Well, that's what it looks like anyway. Look at how bright that is. This is like red. I think I'm just gonna apply this to the ends. I always say that, and end up applying it to the whole. No, but I'm gonna try to maybe halfway. I don't know if I should just. I've done this before. I don't know why I'm acting brand new. Like I don't know the drill. I'll just dip it in there. Ooh. Okay, let me take my dryer. I'm gonna undo the twist. I should have applied it. I should have undid the twist before I started drying because it's a little blotchy. You can tell where the twist mark. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more. All right, let's move on. So after I apply it, I just undo the twist just to make sure that it's evenly distributed throughout the strands, okay? I was ready to blow me down. I just stained my shirt. I don't really care about the shirt. So yeah, if you're gonna do this, make sure whatever you wear is not something, you know, you really care about, because it does get messy. Let it go, let my body go. my hair is looking like so far. I'm loving the color. Before I go in and do a twist out, I am going to re-moisturize and seal my hair because this product does tend to dry hair out. All right, so just be wary of that. Just know that you'll have to go back. Not too much moisturize. I'm just gonna take a little bit, section it, and moisturize each section and seal it with my oil. Now I just want to show you guys the back, what the back is looking like before. As you can see, the back is probably not as bright as the front. I did that on purpose. I didn't apply as much product to the back because I wanted it to like be brighter up here and a little darker in the back. So this is what the back is looking like. I'll section my hair into 4 sections. Starting off with this section. Focusing it, of course, a lot on my ends. Then taking some Royal Crown hairdressing hair grease. I'm just gonna apply that on top of that, just a little bit. And that's basically what I'm gonna do throughout my whole head and install twists. All right, I'll be right back. So this is what my twists are looking like. Yeah, remember I said that I might wash this out depending on how bright the color is because I have to go to work. I'm not washing this out. It took way too long to install these mini twists. This is gonna last, this hairstyle after I take it down will last me another 4, maybe 5 days before I go and wash my hair, okay? Yeah, no, I worked way too hard for this. Now, I don't know if you guys can tell, I don't know if it's just me, but the color did, after I moisturized and sealed my hair, the color did, you know, tone down just a little bit. So I feel like I'll be able to go to the office with this, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, my hair is dry, like the color is not gonna budge. It's dry. All right, I'm gonna let this set overnight and I'll be back tomorrow with the takedown. All right guys, I am back for the takedown. Just take down my scarf, take off my scarf. Now I'm just gonna begin to unravel the twists, and as I'm unraveling, I'm gonna separate. So I'm only getting a little bit of transfer on my hands, but that can be washed away with water. And guys, if you do like mess up your shirt like I did in the previous clips while applying the product, just put it in a washer and it come right off with water.
Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow.
And because the front is like bothering my eyes, it's kind of like falling into my eyes, I'm just gonna pin this up just a little bit.
Heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down.
And this is what the hair is finally looking like. Oh, I like it. No, I love it. What y'all think? Let me show you the back. For real, this is definitely an option. Like if I ever wanted to go in and do a permanent color, like, wow. And my hair is moisturized. I'm happy that I went in and moisturized and sealed my hair after I applied the color. My hair is not brittle at all. It feels strong, healthy. The color is popping. Let me know in the comment section if you guys like this color. Would you rock it? Is this appropriate for the office? Let me know. Sound off down below. Should I possibly make this a permanent thing? This color, the red. You know, I thought I really like, because I did a previous video with the bronze color. Check out my description box if you haven't if you haven't seen that one yet. And I really love that. But this one, I think I might like this one a little better, y'all. Let me know what you think. As usual, guys, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted whenever I post a video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Y'all enjoy your Valentine's Day with your loved ones and your spouse and your friends and whomever. Okay, just enjoy it. Until next time, bye.